Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mark and I'm the Mediocre Modeler. And today I'm doing an update on the Mars Garage group build, the Rust Bucket group build. If you don't know Marcelo, I'd be surprised. But if you're not, subscribe to his channel, go over there and check him out. He does some really cool builds. He's always thinking outside the box, and great guy. You know, good part of this community, and you know, I consider him a friend. So before I do the update, I'm going to do a shop card shout out for Don over at Red Barn Model Works. Cool barn. You know, he's got a shop tour, and I just got done watching his video, and what an awesome shop. He's got a shit ton of models, unbuilt models, and just a little bit bigger than my stash. He's been doing it for a while. He's got a cabinet that he had when he was a kid, you know, and he still uses it. I think it's pretty cool, and he's doing a Plymouth moonshine runner for Terry, and he also built a 124 still, and that came out pretty cool. So Don just recently, he had a stroke, and brother, I hope you're doing better, and I hope you have a 100% full recovery. But if you're not subscribed to Don, go over there. Great guy. Go check out his channel, and tell him Mark sent you. We're going to put you up on the ever-growing wall of inspiration, Don. Thank you for the shop card swap, and thank you for the kind words on the back. So, for the Rust Bucket group build, I chose the 37 Ford pickup, and I'm making a diorama of Terry's shop card. So I did the painting already and the lettering, and now it's time to do the 37 Ford. So I'm looking at this, and I don't know how I'm going to do it, but first time I ever do a Rust Bucket, but it's pretty cool so far. I'm having fun doing it. And so far I've got the 37 Ford painted with Ace Hardware Premium Primer, Oxide Red, or Red Oxide, excuse me. I like the way it's coming out. I got it all mocked up right now. The hood, cab, the bed. I have the little pieces of wood in the back. I'm going to do a black wash and kind of leave it loose, like it's, you know, old and decrepit like me. Oh, I cracked myself up. Let me get this out of here. So it's going together pretty well. Like I said, first time I ever did a Rust Bucket. I'll put this over here. The tires, I'm going to use a heat gun, I think. Put it on a socket. Use a heat gun to heat up the tire, and then like mash it down so it's kind of flat tires. So yeah, I'll be setting it up in the field, and this is the chassis from the 1940 over here, the red one. So this is a rebuilder as well. This is a rebuilder, excuse me. And so I use the red oxide on the chassis and the chrome parts. I like the way it turned out. And I'm not completely done yet. I got to do some other different washes and stuff like that. But to cover the chrome, what I did is I just held the can probably 3 feet away, and I kind of lightly misted it so it didn't completely saturate the chrome parts. But I could take, a little stick or something and just kind of like knock the paint off in different spots. So, I mean, it was chrome once, but it's been left out in the field so long that everything got rusty. So, yeah, pretty cool. I'm rebuilding this one for a club member who passed away, and it's a club challenge. And so I'm taking all the customizing parts from the 37 Ford, and I'm doing a restoration of the 1940 Ford, so it kind of fits. I got a couple modifications. It wasn't a perfect fit, but it was pretty close. So the interior tub, I flat black, and then I hit it with just a mist coat of that red oxide. So this is the radiator from the 40 Ford, and it was all chromed out. So now it's it's got the rusty look to it. It looks pretty good. So this engine's coming out nice. I still have to use a panel liner on it, but that's going in the 40 Ford, and that came from the 37 kit. So I got some extra parts. This is going in my stash. It's nice headlights. They look awesome. And I wasn't sure if I was going to use those headlights or these headlights, but after looking at the shop card again, there's no headlights. So these are going in my stash too. That's pretty awesome. And hubcaps. I'm not going to be using these. These are going in my stash. That's pretty cool. Here's another thing that's going in my stash. More hubcaps. Nice grill. That's extra. Drive shaft assembly. And that's awesome. That's going in my stash. Here's another solid solid axle. That's going in my stash. The boy, I'm having a brain fart. Yeah, the mufflers. Sheesh. The front axle is going to lower the wheels nicely. This is all mocked up as well. I had this here to hold the bed in place. That's going to be pretty cool. The chassis. Sorry about the hot mess here. But this is a chassis from the 37 Fords going under the 40 Ford. So I'm doing this all at one time because that club challenge is due right around the same time Marcelo's group build finishes. So I'm going to include both of these in these videos. So it's coming along nicely. I'm having fun, Marcelo. Thank you for hosting this, and I'm glad I got in this year. I wanted to get in last year, but it just didn't happen. So that's my first update, people. Thank you for joining me. It's early in the morning here on the East Coast, and hope all you guys and girls have a great day, great week ahead. Thanks for joining me. Please give me a like and subscribe, and leave a comment, and have fun modeling. Peace out, everybody.